What's up guys, I hope you're all doing well. So this video that you're going to see right now and the following vlogs are from my recent trip to Europe. Now if you follow me on Instagram you know what I'm talking about. If not, go and follow me right now. In essence, this trip was something that I was looking forward to, planning and saving up for a long time, and finally I got to do it. And the main reason was basically just tourism, just see new places, meet new people and capture lots of photos, and I did. But apart from photos, I also captured lots of video. Now rather than having all those clips stored in my hard drives taking up space, I said okay, why not create some short vlogs, and therefore I can take you guys with me in the experience of seeing all these new places for the first time. So in essence, this is what these vlog series is going to be. I'm going to try to alternate them with tutorials, but let's start off with the first one, which is in Madrid. So let's go and watch it. Bienvenidos creadores a España, Madrid. Este lugar es precioso, la arquitectura fantástica y bueno, es primer día aquí, entonces estoy medio cansado del viaje, un viaje más de 12 horas. Entonces a buscar qué comer, tomar algunas fotos de arquitectura y de gente y nada, nos vemos. Bienvenidos a Plaza Mayor, chicos, chicas. Y miren, esas personas allá, justo allá arriba, voy a poner con el telefoto, pero tienen su pequeño picnic en la azotea, en mera Plaza Mayor. Genial. Venga, día 2, vamos a desayunar o buscar algún lugar. Casi me estampo con alguien por ahí, pero bueno, vamos. So after 3 days of walking around Madrid, up and down through the city center, I basically saw everything that I needed, everything from Reina Sofía to Lavapiés to Puerta de Alcalá, the Gran Vía, and all the way to Parque del Retiro. I basically was ready to leave. I averaged around 18 kilometers of walking distance per day, which is outstanding, but I also averaged around 6 beers per day, so it kind of balances out. Anyway, I was ready to leave, so the next morning I just went down to the train station to Puerta de Atocha to take a train to Andalusia, but I'm gonna leave that for the next vlog, so see you in the next one, guys.